Hello everyone, here I am. I just wanna share my story or my life today. So this is the place where I'm living. Ayan, so this is a good place kapag gusto nyong mag-exercise walking. Ito po yung aking pinaka-favorite. Marami pong naglalakad dito, especially sa hapon. So mga oldest ng konti, so pwede na rin po tayong makisabay sa kanila. So yung isang dyan po ako, yan po yung aking home sweet home. Isa sa mga building na yan. Ayan, very humble place. Very simple at not so expensive yung dyan, yung bayad. So ayan po yung yung another bridge na nakakonect po sa isang train station na malapit lang dito sa amin. So before I will continue, I just wanna share my another favorite verse. John 3:16. Okay, for God so loved the world that who gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth on him shall not perish but have everlasting life. So what does it mean? So ayan, yan po ang mga common verse po na memorize talaga ng mga Christian or ng mga tao na nagbi-believe kay Jesus. So, ayan. So, I will continue again next time. So, this is all for today. Okay, God bless you all. Bye.